Hey guys, my name is Neel and welcome to Neel Workshop Zone. So in this episode, we're going to be talking about JavaScript and how to install JavaScript on a computer. So in the previous episodes, I talked about what is JavaScript, the difference between JavaScript and other programming languages. So if you haven't checked it out, I recommend checking out those episodes. But in this episode, we're going to be talking about how to install JavaScript on a computer. Now, even though there are different operating systems like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, we even have OS, the process for downloading JavaScript is pretty simple, so it's not that hard to download it. All you need to do, or all you need to know, is your system's preferences and the bits it has. So, for example, every computer or every laptop has either 32-bit or 64-bit operating system, and depending on that, you need to make sure which file you download. So installing JavaScript is really easy, and we'll go through the steps, and after letting you know the steps orally, I'll also show you a small video which indicates how to download it on your computer directly. So without further ado, let's talk about it. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to the website, the official website, node.js. Now if you type node.js on Google, automatically a website will pop up and you can just click that website. As soon as you click that website and you scroll down a little bit, you'll get the option to download the installer for JavaScript, which you can find in either 32-bit or 64-bit. Now, by checking your Windows operating system settings, you'll understand and you can check if your computer runs on 32-bit or 64-bit, and depending on that, you want to install that file. So after installing that file, an MSI installer will be installed. And that MSI installer, it isn't that complicated. All you need to do is you just need to double click it and a setup will open up. And that setup is to set up the JavaScript program. So what you need to do now is you first need to click next. Then you'll find an end user license agreement, which you also need to click on accept. And after that, you also need to accept some more steps. There are a lot of steps to click on, but most of them you just have to click next. And after a lot of that, you'll finally get the finish option, and after that automatically the JavaScript panel opens up and you are free to use JavaScript now. Now to check if you have successfully installed JavaScript or not, if the JavaScript tab didn't open up for you, all you can do is you can go to Windows, you can open command prompt and you can type a simple command which basically goes by the name of admin greater than node -v. So by typing this command in command prompt, you will actually get to know if JavaScript exists or not. And if you didn't, you probably did something wrong. Maybe you didn't check the bit. If your laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit correctly, or you might have step by missed in the middle. So through this, you can even cross-check if JavaScript is installed on a computer or laptop. So yeah, that is how we install JavaScript in a computer or laptop. And now I'll show you a video where we can directly see how to install JavaScript in a computer. So yeah, now let's look at it. So let me just type in node.js and select the versions. Let me click on releases, previous releases. Now since this is an old operating system like Windows 7, I'll choose a older version of the JavaScript version. But if you have a new Windows 10 or 11, I recommend checking out the latest ones. But I'm just going to select Windows 64-bit node JavaScript and just click on install. Now we can click on save file and we just have to wait for it to download, which it instantly downloads. So after the download is completed, we'll just open it. File is installed, we'll just double click it and we'll click on run, and the node.js setup has been opened. Now what we need to do is just click on next, accept the terms of the license agreement, which obviously no one reads all of this. So we'll just click on next and a lot of next, and that is a destination folder, and we'll just click on a lot more next, and finally we'll click on finish and it starts to install node.js. Now this takes a really long time, so I'll just speed up the entire process. And after a lot of installing, finally the node.js is installed on our computer or laptop. And after clicking finish, boom, it automatically opens up. And now as you can see, we can use node.js successfully. But here's the thing, we also need to check if it has been installed properly or not. So I'm just gonna open the cmd by typing cmd, and after opening cmd we can just type node-v We can also type admin or without admin, but note -v is important. So yeah, that is how JavaScript is installed on a computer or laptop, and yeah, that is basically how it works. It is pretty simple to install JavaScript on a computer/laptop, and yeah, that is it for this video. So hope you enjoyed this simple video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any new videos. And that's it folks, and see you next one. Bye bye.